More news coming in. M&S workers attack Mumbai mall worker. Staffer assaulted for not speaking Marathi. On camera, slap attack. Staffer forced to apologize. Ugly turn to M&S. Marathi push is what we're learning. Developments that we are reporting on is from Mumbai. In fact, where M&S workers attack a Mumbai mall worker is what we are learning at this point in time. So, staffer has been assaulted for not speaking in Marathi is what we are learning. On camera, this attack, the slap on the staffer has been seen. He was forced to apologize for being unable to speak in Marathi. Unfortunate developments that we're reporting from Mumbai, where M&S Marathi push is seeing a worker in a mall getting assaulted in this fashion. M&S worker has been attacked in a mall in Mumbai for being unable to speak in Marathi. The worker in the mall has been hit for not speaking in Marathi, for not being able to speak. The video from Versova in Mumbai has now gone viral. These are workers of the Raj Thackeray-led Maharashtra Nav Nirman Sena who've slapped an employee of a leading supermarket store in Mumbai for being unable to speak in Marathi.
मराठी बोल अभी मराठी बोल चल कधी आला तू करने का विचार मुंबईत कधी आला मराठी भाषा येत नाही का तुला
when you arrived in Mumbai
जिसको मराठी आता है ना ती बदल त्याला मराठी येते त्याला तू शिकवणार इसको तू
आणि सर अजून एक इम्पोर्टेंट काय बोलला माहिती है का कि तुम रेसिडेंट देने आए हो कि हमको मराठी सिखाने आए हो एक मिनट मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला था आपको
what it told me that you have come to the shop to purchase or to teach us Marathi. How did you say that you will not speak in Marathi or do what you have to do? In Mumbai, we have the first right. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry. You have to learn Marathi. Say that I am apologizing to Marathi Manus.
राज साहेबांची मी माफी मागतो राज ठाकरे साहेबांची बोल
Going straight across to Dipesh Tripathi for more details on that. This is M&S high-handedness on full display here. Dipesh, talk to us about what kind of action is being taken.
Yes, this incident took place yesterday when M&S workers, along with the leader Sandesh Desai, entered into the DMart of Warsaw, where they started beating a DMart employee and the manager of the store because as per the allegations of the M&S, the DMart employees were not speaking in Marathi and they were behaving arrogantly with a Marathi person who was there to shop. So after he complained, after he posted that video on his WhatsApp group, that video reached to the M&S party workers and they entered to the DMart. And as we spoke to the Sandesh Desai, who was heading this kind of a protest or the workers into the DMart, he said that in Mumbai, a person who is working should know the Marathi and he can't do a dadagiri on us. So specifically, M&S is supporting what the Sandesh Desai and his workers have done to the DMart employees right now. But still, there is no action has been taken by the Mumbai police. No FIR has been lodged by the Mumbai police. M&S workers entered into the DMart. They started slapping to the manager. They made him apologize to the person, to the customer who entered, who was there for the shopping. So definitely, this is the row which has been started today. And right now, no complaint has been made to the police yet and no FIR has been lodged by the police as of now.
All right, I'm going to thank you for getting in those details at this point in time of that attack that has taken place on an employee from a supermart in a mall in Mumbai is slapped for not being able to speak in Marathi.
मराठी सीख